Greetings from Traganou Caves, this beautiful and magnificent place on the east coast of Rhodos. It was really worth it to get here, as the landscape here looks super amazing. Now that is one big cave that I have entered earlier, as you have seen in the intro of this video. But what is more interesting is the coast, as the color of the water is so amazing today. It is 4 p.m. right now, and 9th of May 2025, which is low season, which means very few people on the beach. I have been walking all the way from behind that hill, Temp Beach, and behind that hill is Anthony Quinn, but I will need to walk 3 kilometers from the road, as there is no existent path, as I have seen. Now let's hit the waters and explore here what there is behind these caves. I didn't brought my snorkeling mask, but I think I'm gonna be checking out anyway what is there to see. The beach is quite big, and it continues from Traganou Beach, and it is quite off from the road, and that's why there are only very few people. The scene, the landscape is amazing. Here we have pebbles only in the water, no sand, which makes the color of the water even better, with better shade of blue. So yeah, Traganou Caves, beautiful place on the east coast of Rhodos. It's very scenic indeed. So let's go. There is a beautiful beach there between the caves that's under shadow, so you can find here your perfect shadow if you wish. But the color of the water is amazing, right? And here it is so deep that I can't stand. And I wish I can show you below the water, but I'm a bit hesitant because my lens is not working and water might come in. So I try to avoid that. But enjoy the landscape from land, I mean from the water, but from above, at Traganou Caves. Brilliant, right? So I have been walking now for almost 30,000 steps, but I can't believe I walked all the way behind that hill, and now I'm here at Traganou Beach. So yeah, it's really beautiful here. I wish I could just stay longer, but I have 2 more stops to visit and only 4 hours left of sunlight. So the next stop is Anthony Quinn Beach, and then Mantomata Nudist Beach. But I can enjoy a few moments here at Traganou Beach in Rhodos with the beautiful color of the water. All right, so yes, that is a wrap from Traganou Beach. It's time for me to get up and maybe take some pictures with the caves from the land. But it has been a blast, and hope you have enjoyed this episode from Traganou Caves, and make sure to visit during the low season, because I guess there are lots more people here in high summer. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.